Hi, this is a tutorial on how to edit the website template for Life Coach. So you probably come across this video on YouTube, or it comes along with the template that you purchase via Etsy. Or as a reference, if you haven't purchased this template yet, this is available on my Etsy shop as well as on the comments or linked in the description. So if you already purchased the template and wants to edit it and maybe add your branding, change colors, add your wording. So uh, this video is a step-by-step guide for you. So let's start with a preview of the website. This is the home page, a video banner about you, services. So if you this will allow you to book an appointment, but this is optional. As you can see, section is quite the same as this section. This is because if you choose to retain this section, it means you have to pay more, subscribe to this option with Wix, and I believe it will cost a bit more per month, but that is your choice. Later, when we edit this website, you will have the option to remove this part in case you don't want to pay an extra fee with Wix to have the appointment option. So if you delete that, you have this option to just explain your services. After that, the testimonials, this one. This is how it navigates. After that is a section to offer to subscribe to your email. So, and then the footer. So this website template consists of 12 pages, but you don't have to use all those 12 pages. You can just select which one is relevant to to you or your business. Then just select which one you choose to apply here. So that's home and then about that one. Services, FAQs, blog. If you want to blog, you can remove this if you don't plan to blog. Contact. So to view a blog post, just click each. Okay, let's view that one. Okay, and contact, gallery, and the hidden pages, privacy policy, terms and conditions. By the way, if you don't have privacy policy and terms and conditions, I included a link on where you can generate it for free, or if it's more advanced, it comes with a fee. But for a simpler one, it's free. So the other hidden pages are this one, events, and uh, success stories. And then lastly, the shop category, all products. In case you want to sell digital products or journals, or it just depends on what you want to sell. But just um, take note of the subscription you have with Wix. For example, this banner is here because I didn't subscribe to the paid plan, and the plan I have is the free one for this website. So yeah, after you edit your website and for you to be ready to publish it, just subscribe to the plan with Wix. So you can subscribe by just clicking here on the dashboard. So considering, I'm gonna assume that you already have a Wix account. So after you purchase a website template here, you're gonna provide me with your email address. Or if you don't have the email address yet, that's fine. After purchase, just um, send me a message with the email address you'd like to use, or your email address associated with your Wix account. And within 24 hours, I will apply. I will not apply, I will transfer the website to you. After transferring the website, you will have the option to so after you receive the website and you go to that website's dashboard, this is the first thing you'll see, and just click on edit site. So you will have the option to you can now start editing the website design. So just click on edit site. It will take us to the editor. This is going to be quite a long video because I'm going to explain it step by step, but it really is simple. Editing the website is simple, especially if you don't plan on changing a lot. Like if you're already okay with the template and like the sizing, you don't have to change anything. Just copy paste or just type in your branding and then upload your own photos. Then you won't need a lot of time. But in case you want to move things around, that's when it gets time consuming. So it might be overwhelming to see these lines and a lot of buttons around here, but the only thing you need to find is quick edit for all of the sections or what they call the strip. So quick edit this, and section background, you'll be able to change it the color if you want to, this one. And um the photo, and then type your name there, your tagline, change that. And then the strip background, because this one is a video. You can, if you want to change it, you can, but it's fine if you don't. And also, if you want, you can choose image, but the one I chose is video. And in case you don't have a high quality video you want to use, there are a lot of options here. Maybe you just need something that matches the color of the website or your branding. So you can just select any of the videos here if you don't have your own video. So that's for editing, and then here, edit this. So every time you just edit from top to bottom, it's gonna point where it gets edited anyway. So that's it. So this one, it will link to the book and appointment portion here where you have to subscribe with Wix. But if you don't subscribe, it's fine. You could probably just link this to your Facebook or just the contact page. That will be fine. So that's it for this section. And then this one. So it's the same. You just have to hover and then quick edit. But in case you don't subscribe to the booking option or app with Wix, you can delete this. Just click on delete, and this entire section will be deleted. Maybe just delete that and then just move it up. I will have to add that again.